Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Energy System Style 4 with your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now we need to turn on these headphones and enter to pairing mode. And we have two options how to enter pairing mode. The first one, if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, you can only open the charging case and your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see them at the device list. And right here we have them. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. To enter pairing mode manually, you need to press and hold at the both of your touch areas until your earbuds in the charging case. So right here and right here we have touch areas. You just press and hold simultaneously until the LED lights start blinking white. And you will enter to pairing mode manually and you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!